Good morning. This is the first time that I was able to clear this. Before, it has so many clothes here piled up. Our Blackie, our dog, Blackie, is kind of sick and he poops a lot. And our house smells like that because he poops a lot. And most of the time, his poop is slimy. That's why. That's my mama. And Buddy. Jubilee year 2025. This is our Bishop Emeritus, Ernesto Onchoko. We love him. God bless him. God bless our Emeritus, Bishop Ernesto Onchoko. Slow progress, but then it's okay. For me, it's okay. This is part of our SOA. This is part of Recibed Center, SOA. Priority of the clothes are those clothes do not end up in the garbage dump. They end up to be a soil. They go back to the ground. That's the main purpose. Earthworms eat them. That's it. That's basic. Don't need to end up in the ocean or anything. This is hard work, and Recibed Centers is, it's not a myth. For me, it's not a myth. It's something that I dreamed of. I planned a goal, a future, and not going to stop. Still a progress, still a process. Or so is the art of soil and water. If this rubber shoes knows how to break down itself by withering, so the process is like that simple. So it means that everything can be break down, including metals, concrete, wood, hard plastics, anything and everything. But when we have this one, it needs to be processed and returned to metal companies so that they will melt it down and recycle it again. So by segregation, you can make use of a lot of things rather than show all of them. Just that showing is like culture. So many people show lots of things, but then when you're able to segregate, you make use of a lot of things over and over again, and that's sustainable. So many people, they don't want to be included in, they don't want their name linked in garbage. But if you come to think of it, all of us needs to do something with our own personal garbage. You have to manage everything. If it's dirty, if it's not properly managed, you need to do something. Why, what's happening here? Before things get so unmanageable, after the flood, after the fire, you need to do something right away rather than have that guilt feelings of anxiety